welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you the most easiest wig I've ever owned in my entire life, you guys. Like literally all you need to do is cut off the lace and rock your wig, because everything have already been done for you, like bleaching the lace, plucking and tweezing the frontal, applying elastic band, like I mean everything, you guys. And the hair we're using today is provided by Hair Vivi, and apart from the wig coming already customized, they also included some supplies like a wig cap, a comb, and some clips. I'm going to show you guys how this wig looks straight out the box, and you guys, like, it's amazing. I was literally shocked the first time I opened the box and couldn't wait to install the hair. And here it is. The pattern is just wow. Looks just like an actual person's hair. They really took their time to perfect this wig, and I decided to put it on a mannequin head so you guys can really see the perfection. As you all can see, the frontal is already twisted and plucked to the guts. Like seriously, you don't need to do anything more. The frontal is also bleached, and I totally forgot to tell you guys the specs of this wig. So I have Hair Vivi 360 lace wig human hair in natural weave style, and the length is 24 inches. And you guys, look at that frontal. Oh, and also it comes with an elastic band and some clips. Time to install this wig, and this will take not less than 2 to 3 minutes to do. I'm just going to fit the wig on my head, and the elastic band just gives some added security, especially if you're not about that glue life. It will basically secure the wig while you have it on. All I could say was wow, because I was amazed at how gorgeous the frontal was, you guys. Like, this is the very first time I've received a wig without having to do anything to it. Just cut the excess lace and you're ready to go. So I just learned recently to have a little lace on the frontal while cutting off the lace, as this helps blend in the baby hair when you're all done. But before, I used to just cut the lace all the way to the hairline, but now I know better. And once I've cut off the excess lace, I will use got to be glued free spray to lay down my frontal. This is definitely optional. The elastic band did an amazing job in holding down the wig, but for the purpose of this video, I will use a spray to secure it more. So you can use a hand fan or a blow dryer to make the spray a little tacky, but I decided to use my hands. And after a minute, I will then press down the frontal onto the hairline. I prefer the got to be glued spray to the glue. Like, I don't know why, but I always have an issue with the glue holding down my wigs, but this spray is one touch and my frontal is laid. And I'm just going to use a hairband to tie down the frontal, and of course, it was late in the night the day I filmed this video, so I went to sleep. I was kind of worried if the frontal was going to still hold down the next day, because prior to filming, I took my bait and water obviously touched the frontal, but surprisingly, you guys, the frontal wasn't affected at all. Like, look how nice this looks. This is definitely going to be my go-to wig, you guys. Like, I really do love this wig. And like I said, you really do not have to do much to this wig. No bleaching, no plucking, tweezing. Everything is already done for you. I wish other wig companies can copy this, because sometimes I receive wigs that require a lot of work. Like, ain't nobody got time to spend hours tweezing a frontal. And yes, you guys, this is all there is to this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to check out my description box for info regarding this wig. And also, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.